Hello, this is Akram from Group 1. Welcome to this video tutorial which is talking about smart garbage monitoring system. In this video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how this smart garbage monitoring system is working. As you see in this diagram, we have Arduino Uno, which is processing the data from the different sensors and other components. We also have a GPS module which is detecting the location where that garbage bin is located. We also have a ultrasonic sensor which is detecting the distance from the garbage inside the garbage bin to that ultrasonic sensor. So as we can measure the distance, we can know whether the garbage bin is full or not. We also have this LED here which is indicating which garbage bin is already full in that particular area. We also have a GSM module which is sending the notification to the authority. In here we try to send that data into this serial monitor. Okay, now let us start simulating this system. As you see here, when you start simulating, the virtual terminal is appear here which is displaying the distance. This is the distance which is measured by ultrasonic sensor, the distance from the garbage inside the garbage bin to that ultrasonic sensor. So by detecting this distance, we'll be able to know whether the garbage bin is already full or not. So if that distance is higher, meaning that the garbage bin is not full, there's still space to add more garbage, but this when this distance is decreasing, meaning that the garbage bin is going to be full. So now let us simulating how this system is detecting the garbage bin is full or not. So we'll try to change the value or the length of this the distance which is displaying here by changing the value in this component. So by changing the value, we have set that if the value is below 300, we detect that the garbage bin is already full. But is the value, if the distance is above 300, meaning that the garbage bin is still have a space to add more garbage. So now let me try to reduce it. You'll see that the system is detecting that the garbage bin is already full. As you see that here, now the distance is 291 centimeter, and there's a message which is displaying here, which is saying that the garbage or the dustbin is already full, which is also displaying the position where that the garbage is located. This is the information which is also coming from the GPS module, which is showing the location of that garbage bin. Not only that, but also the system will will turn on the LED, which is indicating which garbage bin is already full at that particular area. So this is how the system is working. Now let me try to demonstrate in terms of code how the system is working in terms of code. As you see here, first we try to import a library for interacting with the GPS module. This is the TIN GPS library. So after that, we try to create some variable, the GPS variable here for referencing the object of the GPS. We also have these two variables which is storing the pin for connecting the ultrasonic sensor. We have echo pin, which is connecting with the echo pin of the ultrasonic sensor. We also have a ping pin which is connected to the trigger pin in that ultrasonic sensor. After that, in the setup function, we try to set the baud rate, okay, to allow the serial communication. So we put the baud rate of 9600, that the rate where the data will be transmitted through that serial ports, the data rate. And also we have configured the ping pin as an output pin. This pin is connected to the trigger pin, which there's also this one echo pin which is connected to the echo pin, so it is also configured as an input one. We also have this pin mode 4 which is configured as an output. This is the pin which is connected to that LED. And then within this loop function, we try to create some local variables. We have a data local variable which is showing the status of the data, okay, whether the data is available or not. We also have a duration variable for storing the duration of signal which is transferred. We also have a SCM which is representing the distance, okay, measured in terms of centimeter, okay. And then we have a digital write here, digital write ping low, meaning that we try to stop the ultrasonic sensor to send the signal, the ultrasonic wave, okay, for processing anything. And then we try to pause here the execution by 2 microseconds. After that, we try to activate the trigger pin so as it can send the signal to detect the distance between two sides from the particular point. We also pause this execution by 10 seconds. After that, we try to stop that sending of signal by a trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor. After that, we try to calculate the duration by using this function pulse in, which is calculating the duration where the signal is transferred to and fro between that garbage bin and ultrasonic sensor. And then after that, we try to convert that duration, which is in microsecond, into centimeter, so that we can identify the distance from that garbage inside of the garbage bin to that ultrasonic sensor. And after that, we try to display that distance into serial pin, serial terminal. After that, we try to check after every 1 second, as you see this loop here. After every 1 second, we try to check if that distance is below 300, and if it is below 300, we try to make the LED on, meaning that the garbage is already full because it is below 300 here. And after that, we try to check that if the serial pin is available in order to send the data into the GSM module, okay, as you see here. So we try to read some data, and then after reading that data from the serial pin, we check the GPS if the GPS has already found the location. So if the GPS has already found the location, it will change the status of the data to be true, meaning that the location is already found. So if the location is already found, we try to calculate the longitude and latitude of where that garbage bin is also located geographically. And after that, we try to display those information, longitude and the latitude, through the serial terminal. And in case maybe if that length, the distance is above 300, we'll try to switch off that LED. Okay, this is how the source code of that smart garbage monitoring system is all about. Thank you for your attention. Okay, so we'll meet with you on the next tutorial. Thank you so much.